Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the video player open and captions visible. That's essential. First, look at the bottom right of the player for the CC icon and the settings gear. Tap or click the CC icon to see caption availability. If the icon is highlighted, captions are active. Once done, you'll know whether captions come from auto-generation or an uploaded track, which affects the next steps. Make sure you can access the settings gear for more control. Now, open Settings by clicking the gear, then choose Subtitles or Subtitles/CC. You'll see any active subtitle tracks listed. Pick off to stop captions immediately. If you spot language options, select off for each listed track so none reappears. This step directly controls what the player renders, so it's the fastest way to remove captions for this viewing session. Once off, captions won't display until you or the player re-enable them. To stop captions permanently on your account, go to YouTube Settings, select Playback and uncheck Always Show Captions. This prevents auto-captioning across videos. If captions still appear, check accessibility settings on your device or browser that might force captions. If problems persist, clear your browser cache, restart the app, or test another browser or device to rule out a local bug. One key troubleshooting tip: if captions come from the video itself, you cannot remove them unless the uploader disables or replaces the caption track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.